Hey everybody, Jake and Brenda here, Our Sweet Adventures.
Hello.
Today we're making
Dorito shredded chicken bake.
All right, let's get at it.
All right, here we are. I'm going to shred. There's 4 chicken breasts here, and I'm going to go ahead and shred this. And I know I've said this before because I've had to shred chicken in another recipe, but I wish I had. It's kind of those claws.
A chicken shredder.
Well, they're claw. Yeah, chicken shredder. Yeah. They're claws, and it's just so much easier and probably faster.
Might have to look into one of those.
Well, yeah, you never know. I kind of looked around, but I didn't see any at Walmart, and maybe I just. Maybe they were out or something like that. But I'm going to go ahead and finish shredding all 4 breasts, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, here we are. Here are the ingredients for the Doritos nacho cheese, sour cream, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, and then the Mexican style street corn. And then we have the cheddar jack cheese, and behind there I have the chicken all shredded, and then we have the chunky salsa, and now we'll just put it together. Okay, here we go. We have the bag of Doritos. We're supposed to crunch them all, kind of noisy, and then you have to save like a cup and a half. I'm going to open it up a little bit so it's there. Now I can crunch them better. Are you got any frustrations? All right. So you take about a cup and a half, and we're just going to eyeball that. So we'll put that in there. Yeah, that's probably good. Now we're going to take the rest and we're going to pour it in the pan. It says evenly, and we'll do the best we can here. Nacho cheese. All right. Well, that looks pretty good, I think. This will really be interesting. So we'll set these aside. And then the next thing that we need to do is the cream of chicken soup. All right. You want to get every little bit of goodie out of there, as always. Okay. And then the cream of chicken. And as you can see, we buy Kroger brand. That's our store.
Cheap.
Very cheap. This time it was like 28 cents for a can of, I can't remember which one it was. I think it was the cream of mushroom.
Yeah.
Or no, cream of chicken, I think. All right. And then we're going to do half of this. And this is 16 ounces. You're supposed to put 8 ounces in here. So I'm going to just eyeball that. Half of it. So I think that's good. And we'll go ahead and whisk that together until it's smooth. All right, set that aside. And here we have the
chicken.
And so we're gonna go ahead and put the drained Mexican style sweet corn, Del Monte, in there. And we're going to do 3 cups of the cheese. And then we're going to stir that up. Tell you what, this bowl is my go-to bowl. Had it for a long time.
Stainless steel.
Alrighty. Now we're going to go ahead and take this mixture, maybe get out of there.
Good stuff.
Okay, got a mushroom hanging out in there. All right. And we're going to pour that into here. So it's almost like a, well, it's not really a one-dish meal, but I mean, it is, but easy.
Yeah,
Super
pretty
easy. Be anxious to see how the Doritos comes out on the bottom.
Did you oil the pan here?
Yes, I did oil the pan. And I set it on our stove is kind of wonky. So I put it on 370 for the temperature. You might want to do 350. So now we're going to stir this all up. And thank goodness for wooden spoons. They're really heavy and they aren't flopping all over.
Looks pretty good.
It does. It actually smells really good too. Okay, so now we're going to spread this evenly over the Doritos and pan here.
Evenly, huh?
Yeah.
Easier said than done.
You know, I think I'm gonna scoop it in there like that because this is kind of, this is like,
Yeah.
I do want to put, I think, the salsa in here.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Okay. So once again, this is a Dorito Chicken Bake. And easy. That's the kind of recipes I like. You know, years ago, were all intricate and everything, but as time goes on, you like to simplify things a little more. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this.
Okay.
And it's gonna be, it might be a little hard to
Spread out.
so you're just gonna have to, I mean, we got plenty of goodie here, so, well, there's that. So we're gonna go ahead, put this all in there, and we'll get back to you. Okay, here we are, back with you. We're gonna just
crunch them up a little more.
yes. Well, I might have got too big a handful there. Use both hands. Okay. Now, 350-degree temperature. I know I said it before, just to remind you. And then for about a half hour. So, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put the cheddar jack cheese on top. And, you know, you can put as much as you want. And everybody that has watched us before knows that we love our cheese.
Yep.
So, there is that. And now we're gonna pop it right in the oven here. I bet it's gonna be heavy.
Yep.
Okay. And we'll put the timer on for 30 minutes, and once it goes off, we'll bring it out to you.
Okay, it is done, and it looks pretty good. Check that out. Yeah.
Now,
So,
we'll do the taste test.
The taste
Can you do
test.
it left-handed here?
yeah.
We took it out a little bit because
Okay.
it's hot.
Good. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm going to get one to 5. You always rate them here. I'm going to go a 4 on this one again. Good.
Yeah, it is really good.
Probably make that again, huh?
Oh yes, absolutely. And
If the grandkids don't show up today, we'll be eating 3 days on this. So, but
yeah, 9 by 13 for 2 people.
yeah.
Kind of a lot.
Yep. But
You know,
all right.
and there again, if you were just going to do it, you could, you know, take this and cut it in half.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have, you know, and then you could just do like a 9 by 9 pan as
Yeah.
well. So
Yeah.
I'm going to give it a 4 as well.
Okay. All right.
And so just remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Tell us where you're watching from. And we're making little short videos too, so we'll be putting those in between.
On Tuesdays.
Yep, usually on Tuesdays. So, okay.
All right. Until next time.
See ya.
Bye.